Delhi Apartments Private Limited have evolved a project namely Deep Ganga in New Haridwar. The Deep Ganga is situated at higher plateau, 10 km away from the flood affected area. This area is free from any danger. The area is far away from the flood or any kind of natural calamity, and hence investment here is safe. Deep Ganga is an important part of the New Haridwar project. As New Haridwar is growing as an industrial zone, Deep Ganga possesses high rental proposition and investment to return. Hence, Deep Ganga is into high security zone. The project Deep Ganga is only some 10 km away from both the railway station and Har Ki Pauri. The famous Patanjali Yogpeeth is also not that distant. Deep Ganga is only 2 km away from New Haridwar and Dehradun bypass road. The district court and Sidcul is at stone's throw distance. Delhi Public School, Bhel, Ranipur More, they are all in the vicinity. The Deep Ganga is a mini town in itself. It spreads across approximately 20 acres plot allotted by Sidcul. The planned commercial complex in the project Deep Ganga makes life easier. It is already built up and ready to move. The complex has world-class design and facilities. It is just at the center of the Deep Ganga project. The complex has all options for mega shops, food courts, luxury offices, and business centers. The market complex is flanked by wide roads with parking facilities. Deep Ganga holds a clear title deed as the plot is being allotted by government body Sidcul to Delhi Apartment Private Limited on 90 years lease and subsequently sublease to the owners of the flats. Resale of flat here is hassle-free. All the provisions are as per the guidelines of Noida and Greater Noida Authority. As per government provisions, flats of Deep Ganga become freehold in near future. On the one hand, the industrial area offers employment opportunities. On the other hand, it is a perfect place as retirement home. One can lead a pollution-free, peaceful life at the foothills of Shivalik. The project can accommodate people from all walks of life. It has flats ranging from 1 BHK to 3 BHK. They are all available at affordable prices. The flats are situated amidst open, landscaped green area, beautifully designed parks, rainwater harvesting, and ample car parking. Buildings are of G+4 and G+6 structure, including the shopping arcades. The community service includes laundry, polyclinic, spa, etc. The clubs are going to open soon. The flats are earthquake resistant RCC frame structure. Each flat opens up to the greenery with a large balcony and a spacious lift lobby. Flats of Project Deep Ganga offer modern day facilities. "24-hour electricity, round-the-clock water supply, and 2-tier security. The flats can be enhanced with higher furnishing by occupants. The project has state-of-the-art medical facilities and transport and communication system of the age. Its upcoming club modern facilities include restaurant, party lounge, guest rooms, bar, community hall, health club, and snooker room. The entire complex is enclosed within high fence security wall. It has gated entry with the 24/7 security at entry and exit gate. Now, Deep Ganga is a brand. Here people can keep their trust and faith. This trust inspired Deep Ganga to extend its project. Now, they are going to launch around 250 2 BHK and some 300 service apartments of 4-star status is in pipeline. Flats are ready to move in. Come and be the part of the Deep Ganga family, where already 600 families are cherishing their peaceful life.
दीप गंगा, अपने लिए, अपनों के लिए।